The student of class 8, welcome again to our online class of geography. In the last video, we have studied about migration and different types of migration. Today, we are going to do internal migration and external migration. Now let us know what is internal migration. Internal migration or domestic migration is human migration within one geopolitical entity, usually a nation state. Internal migration tend to be travel for education and for economic improvement or because of a natural disaster or civil disturbance. Or, in a very simple words, internal migration is migration that takes place within the country. Now, it is of different types. Rural to urban. People migrate from rural areas to urban areas for access to better employment opportunities, better living conditions, and better infrastructure. Urban to rural. People migrate from urban to rural areas to return to their place of origin to get away from urban problems such as pollution and lack of space, and sometimes for economic reasons. Another types of internal migration is rural to rural. Migration between rural areas occurs mostly for better employment opportunities. It may be seasonal or permanent depending on the nature of work. People also migrate in search of more fertile land or better resources. Lastly, urban to urban. People migrate between cities for better opportunities of education and employment. Some people leave big cities for cleaner, less crowded cities and towns. Now, external migration. External migration occurs when people move across international borders to settle in another country. Migration occurs for many reasons. Many people leave their home countries in order to look for economic opportunities in another country. External migration also have many classifications. Let's start with legal migrants. Legal migrants are people who have been granted the right of entry by the government of the country they are immigrating into. Legal migrants can be permanent or temporary. Permanent migrants settle permanently in the countries they move into and becomes its citizens. Temporary migrants move to another country to work there on a temporary basis. External migrants could be irregular or illegal migrants. These are immigrants who live in a country without valid documentation or without permission. Finally, the forced migrants and refugees are also the external migrants. Refugees are migrants who have been forced to leave their country owing to threat posed to their lives, freedom or security for political, religious or racial reasons. Some migrants may also have been forced to leave their country due to famine or natural, chemical or nuclear disasters. This is for today. We will meet again with a new topic in the new session. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and do studies.